Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to uninstall a program or app in Windows. The first step is to open the control panel. You can do this by pressing the Windows key and then typing control panel and hitting enter. Windows key and then type control panel and then enter. So a window will open on your end. That is the control panel. So please find the programs and features and then click it. This one. Here you'll see a list of installed programs. Find the program or app you want to uninstall and click on it. So for example, you want to uninstall this one, the cheat engine. So all you have to do is to click it and then an uninstall option will show after clicking the app that you want to uninstall. And then all you have to do is to click this one, the uninstall option. Now, once you click the uninstall option, an uninstallation wizard will appear. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the uninstallation process. You might be asked to confirm the uninstallation, so click yes to proceed. And then Windows will remove the program or app. This may take a moment, so be patient. And once the uninstallation is complete, sometimes you will be asked to restart your computer. But if it's not asking you, then that's it. You now know how to uninstall a program or app in Windows. It's a simple process that can help you free up space and keep your system clean. So regularly uninstalling unnecessary programs can help improve your computer's performance and keep it running smoothly. It's a good practice to do this from time to time. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to uninstall a program or app in Windows. See you on my next video.